21 Bowman Draft Jumbo, a 4-box random team number 2. Welcome in here. Let's do this thing. 30 spots, 30 teams, a 6, another hard 6. What's going on here? 30. Good to go. 5 and 6 there, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Diamondbacks at the top. It's the Kansas City Royals at the bottom. That was, yeah, that's a little different moment there. I've never quite had a moment like that at Blaze. That's super cool, dude. Super, super cool. Especially for Pops. Are you kidding? Especially for Pops. He's the freaking man. 666. God dang it. Again. Nice, Alex. Let's go. The finest flashbacks? There's a couple teams left there. Only got the Angels, really. Once the Angels come off, then we're, like, ready to go on that one. Not too much on that, honestly. There you guys go. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, no, like his thing is, well, why don't people just go to the local card shop? And I say, well, you as a Met fan, Dad, you can have the opportunity to only get the rights to Mets and no Braves. Why would you want the Braves? Your NL East rival. No way you would want them, right? So when he says it like that, it's like, oh, it's like, gotcha. You reserve the rights to a team. Once he understands what you Jordan, none of my family, other than my brother, understand what I do. That is the truth. It's not like I do. It's not like I work for NASA and I'm a rocket scientist or anything like that. Even though this is the rocket science. This is the rocket scientist of sports cards, if you will. You saw it earlier. For science, we had to open up a super. Alex, I might just have to, brother. Send my resume to NASA? Well, I pulled a Ellie out of a repack. Accolades. Yeah, exactly, Alex. Thank you. I'll give him your phone number so they can reference you. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Oh, yeah, just call Alex Vandy from Blez Baseball. Why does Bowman sound like your dad? That's so great. For tonight, guys, just gauging the second half of the night here. I would think Flashback is going to go tonight. There's really not that many teams left. Really just have the Angels in that Flashback. Couple $99 teams in there. But there's some super cheap teams at 12, 13, Even the Nationals at 26. So we should be able to get through that tonight, especially since we are out of our repacks, out of the random teams. That is true, Jordan. You are actually right. Like, easiest ways not to, you know, burn the wallet at 249 for an Ohtani, a shot at Ohtani. At 249, man, some of these other breaks trying to get a shot at Ohtani, I'm pretty sure you're looking at north of 300 on most of those. Those are a solid buy. All right, we did put a third one of this in the store. That opens a new case. This one rounds out this case. Jordan, is it one auto a box for flashbacks? Why do I not remember what it is? I think it's one auto a box, right? Or for the flashbacks, I'm saying. All right, good luck, folks. Is it really, Jordan? I was hoping you weren't gonna say that, but now that you say it, I was like, you know what? I think you're right. That's why you said seen him be the auto bench. No, I think you're right, Jordan. I think that's the whole thing with flashbacks. That's the whole thing. Confused. I don't know. I can't remember now. Me neither. We'll have to check. Let's do it. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this show on the road here. 4 boxes of 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo. The paper does not ship, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck here. It's going to be a lot of upside down stuff, so just bear with me. We'll try to get through it together. Nice Encarnacion Strand here. It's going to be our first parallel of the break. And an orange. Wow. What a really nice start to this 4-box break here for the Minnesota Twins and the 1. 17 out of 25 on Encarnacion Strand with a Bryce Miller. Nice Bryce Miller first for the Mariners. The 1. Back-to-back. The 1. 2 different teams. Nice pieces there. I'm a big fan of that. Joe Mack refractor. Ed Howard. Paper. Chad Patrick. Marcelo Meyer on his first. Kusik Povich. Genesis Jackson Job. Maximo Acosta. Sounds like a soccer player. Edwin Arroyo on the refractor. Nice Encarnacion Strand here. Really cool piece out of 25. Super clean copy. Looks good. Looks pretty solid. Pretty good. Beautiful Bryce. Bryce is a lot of fun. You know, I say it every single year. Especially for the past 3 years with the pitchers that the Mariners have. Can they win the division? My God, maybe they might have had a shot if Julio didn't take a year off. If he didn't have such a tough season, he had a great second half. He had a better second half of the season. But man, the Mariners, man, they just... That was a Bryce auto. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One of these days, yeah. One of these days they're gonna... One of these years, I think the Mariners take down that division. Yowelki. Benny Montgomery and Jaden Hill, just looking at who they were. Jacob Steinmetz, Endy on the refractor. Got a die, Austin Martin. Abbott on his first. Gunnar Holgren. There's Adley on the prospect. Henry Davis. Ty Madden first. Reginald. Sir Reginald. Sir Reginald III. Bryce Miller first. Harry Ford in there. Hunter Goodman. Gasser. Genesis of Brady House. It's Jake Fox on the refractor. Gunner refractor on the prospect. Aqua Paper. Tyler McDonough. Kowser on his first. This is already a lot better 4-box than the previous one. Already. I mean, we're through half a box, I would say. Ibata, J.J. Bidet refractor, and Matthew Nelson, the catcher from the Reds. From the Reds. Show you the Invicta on the top here. It's J-Dom for the Yanks. Those are unnumbered pieces. Red Raider, that goes to you, sir. A light blue paper piece here. Braylon Buelvas for the Oakland Athletics. Goes to Raw Onion here. Parallel coming up. Let's see what we got. Bachman. Tommy Mace. On the gold lava, really cool. Excuse me, yellow lava at a 75 goes to the Guardians and Red Raider. Tommy Mace. Encarnacion Strand refractor, Colton Kowser refractor. This is way better 4-box, man. This is the names alone. We didn't have just the refractor names. It's good. This is good. This is good. Wow, really? Not the framed ones. Oh, okay. I was gonna say we pulled a Ellie, but it was a frame. Yep. Harper, one of them, huh? Wow, so many base here. I'm gonna have them put in the top load later pile because there's a lot here. I want to top load all of these too, though. All right, we'll top load those later. I know, Posine, I'm sorry, bud. That was not cool. That's not cool. That's on your breaker. That is... Sorry, Kay. I hate moments like that, Kay. Genuinely. Yeah. I threw a change up. I know, Kay. I know you are. I threw the change up at Kay. Pulled the string on him. Not good. Not good. I know he's just playing, but still, I know. Let's keep rolling. Gavin Williams on his first. Berkelirk. That's a cool one. Luciano at a 99 here for the Giants and Red Raider. Marco Luciano on the Invicta autograph. 98. out of 99. 98 out of 99. Trent DeVoe, Orelvis Martinez. Elmer's glue. Elmer Rodriguez. Yeah, what was it? It was out of 25, right, Kay? Yeah, it was out of 25. I thought it was out of 10. Yeah. That's the shame. That's shame. Joe Mack. Ronnie Mauricio on his refractor. Ronnie boy. Joe Rock on his first. I owe you a beer. And then some. Chad Dallas. Zavala out of 71. Really nice piece here on the speckle. Let's zoom in a little bit. Zoom in a little bit there. Zavala for the Rangers and Raw Onion. Nice piece for the Rangers there. Hoglund on the Genesis. Alex Binelas, Ivan Herrera on the refractor. Last little handful to round out box number 1. There's Tyler Black. Shaylin Polanco, Chase McDermott on his first. That rounds out box number 1 here. Let's just go ahead and top load a couple pieces. Just a couple. Beautiful Luciano out of 99. Okay, keep it going. What do I do with my off time? Honestly, Wayne, listen, I know it might sound crazy to some people, but I go so hard over here at the Blez, like here, that on my off days, and especially with the time, like the sun and the moon, and how I never get to see that kind of thing, I'm always resting, Wayne. I know it sounds absolutely wild, and really, really boring, but that's actually the truth. Michael Morales out of 99. I am chilling, Wayne. Anytime I get an off day, dude, I'm doing nothing. Chase Petty here for the Twins, the 1 on the Blue Wave. The Blue Wave here out of 150. Not going to flip him upside down. Cooper Bowman, Cauley. Chill, dude. I hang out with my brother. My off days are usually Saturday, so I go and hang out with brother, go watch college football for hours and hours and hours. Other than that, dude, I'm not doing much, man. That's how I like it. Just chill, man. Just chill. Just cool it. Watch sports. That's it, dude. Watch sports, Wayne Train. This upcoming week, I got a buddy in town, my best friend in town, and we're gonna hit the town hard. We're gonna go hard in Vegas. It'll be fun. So that'll be actually fun because I haven't done that in a little bit of time. Malcolm Nunez here for the St. Louis Cardinals Red Raider. Purple paper piece he is. No, not the one from the hospital. No, not the one from the hospital. No, I think he's watching Blez Baseball right now, though. I sent him the link. Green paper piece here of Schwellenbach on the green. Henderson. That buddy's, he'll be in there for a couple months, so. J-Dom, maybe one day. Down the road he will be, but. Thank you, Kay. Thank you for the advice. No drive-through marriage things. You know how you could do that? I'd be in for that. Why not? It sounds kind of fun. Just get married right there? That is solid advice. The drive-through marriage? I'm in. Mason Miller here on the first. Soderstrom. Merrill first. That sounds like a blast. What an experience that would be. They're all around here in Vegas, I'm pretty sure. You just drive right up to the window. Cowser here on our Invicta for the O's. Cowser. Manzardo first. TJ White on the sky blue refractor. Jeter Downs on the purple at a 250 here for the Red Sox. Goes to Red Raider. Like that one. Cusick. DeCastro. Rick Kelvin. Riley Green on his first. Not his first, excuse me. Riley Green not on his first. All the prospect first, the Mason Miller, the Jackson Merrill, there's been so many of them. More than usual, it feels like, out of these 4 boxes. So I'm just going to have it sent off to the case later pile. All those firsts are going to get top loaded later. Just saves us a little bit of time here. There's a ton of them, which is just fantastic. Thank you very much, Tops. Keep them coming. Jeter Downs there. What's up, Pew? Honestly, you know too much. No paper ships, folks. Benny Montgomery on his first. What's up, brother? Peter Hubick. Zavala, we pulled his auto out of 71 there. This is Kevin Kopp's nice auto for the Guards there. Big fan of that one. Tanner Bobby before the spectacles. Before he could see. Bobby on his first. Goes to Red Raider and the Guards. Nice piece, Red Raider. Michael Morales refractor. Jackson Jobe refractor. Top load him. Yeah, right? Take 2 more little handfuls here. Wolf first. Schwellenbach first. Jordan Lawler on the draft night. Malcolm Nunez. Isaac Pacheco. Light blue paper piece here. It's Bonacci out of 499. Noelvi. There's Cassis. Kai Bush out of 499. Kai Bush for the Angels and Red Raider. Another pitcher. Dante Williams and Blaze Jordan on the refractor. One little handful here sends us to the yeah, exactly, Kay. Another pitcher. This will send us to the halfway mark. McCade Brown Webb on their first. Norby. Saw a little glimpse of Norby last year. He got called up at the end of the year, right? I think so. Nice Bybee. Looks like 2 pillars. It's like 2 Greek pillars. I love it. Greek pillars of cards. Let's go. Back to it. Edwin Arroyo. Nice, man. Very nice hit here for the 1. Very nice. Let's go, the 1. Encarnacion Strand. You have his orange out of 25. Now you see his Bowman first autograph. Base. Nice hit. Bobby Witt refractor. Wes Kath. Come again. Orelvis Martinez here on the speckle. Those are unnumbered pieces in this year's Bowman draft. Austin Hendrick. You wanted a kiss. You wanted a hit. We don't really do hits. Yo, yo, what's up, Izzo? What's up, brother? How are you? Good to see you. Joe Mack. Let's see what parallel we got here. Oakland, Denzel Clark on the True Blue. What's up? 42 out of 150 here for Oakland. Goes to Raw. Onion Pena, Reed Trimble. What's next, Izzo? Most likely either Finest Flashback, number 169. There's a couple random teams I'm pretty sure that are pretty close. The 2022 Bowman Draft Sapphire is pretty close. I believe it is. Those two breaks. Got a buyer on the Clark. Steezy. He wants it. Very clean first. Those are the two. Finest Flashbacks should go tonight. The 2022 Bowman Draft Sapphire random team should go tonight as well. Those two I would suggest definitely getting into. Probably one or two I'm blanking out on two, but there's probably some pretty close breaks too. I think flashbacks. Let's do flashback. You wanted a hit. Light blue refractor, it's Chad Patrick. Genesis Merrill. JJ Bidet on his refractor, and Matthew Nelson. It's just a blue paper, light blue paper piece. Here's Luis Angel Acuna. Those are out of $4.99 on him. Let's keep rolling. Mick Cade Brown. Tristan Cassis on his refractor. Frelick first. Nice Frelick first. Isaac Pacheco Kerstad on his refractor. Onion, if you're out there, Steezy is a buyer on your Denzel Clark Blue. Job first. Morales, Pedro Pineda on the Invicta. Alex Burns, Pedro Leon, refractors. Alec Thomas. Green. Ruben Ibarra here on the green autograph. To the Reds and G cards. Excuse me. To the Reds and G cards. Yohendrick Pinango. Two more handfuls of this third box. Wow, the Browns have the lead here. I have not seen a second of this game. Has this been a good game? This looks like a good game. 32-31, I would say so. JT Schwartz here out of 199. Julio base. Bobby Witt base. Mace base. Carson Williams at a 250 here. Nice. Let's go. Carson Williams at a 250 here on the Genesis numbered piece here. I got Calvin Ziegler. Ziegler on the base autograph here. Mets. Sam. Po Yu Chen. Julio Carreras. Last little handful here of our third box. Hassel on there. Carson Williams first. Michael McGreevy. Brooks Goswin. Freddie Valdez. Honestly, you know too much. Judy has 250 yards against his former team? I wasn't sure how that was going to go, Kay. I wasn't sure how that was going to go. It was either A, he has like 10 yards all game, or he pops off like that, 250 yards. Wow. That's crazy. That's an absurd amount of yards, dude. Oh, isn't the Broncos defense pretty solid too? The Broncos defense is pretty solid as far as I remember. What? No way Winston has that many yards. That's crazy. Johnny Unitas over there. Jesus. That's crazy. Kind of balling then. It's amazing how the Cleveland Browns went from the most hated quarterback in probably sports history. Probably sports history. To one of the most loved and liked quarterbacks ever. Jameis Winston. Like, just crazy. Good for the Browns fans. That is awesome. That is a sick hit for Oakland and Onion. Mason Miller here out of 250. That is disgusting. On his first. He's wearing a little, like an arm sleeve, too, as a pitcher. That's pretty funny. Another great pitcher. Yes, sir. This is awesome. Love a little Mason Miller. On card at a 250 here. Beautiful piece there for Oakland. Nice hit, Onion. Big fan of that. Big fan. Finished top 5 in the AL Cy Young voting. Actually, that might have been Rookie of the Year voting I'm thinking of. Might have been both. McCade Brown at a 4.9. Nah, I don't think he had. He wasn't in talks for the Cy Young. Chase Petty refractor. Jeter Downs refractor. Nice, that looks good. Here we go, let's keep on rolling. Ethan Wilson here. Cuero on the green speckle out of 99 for the Brew Crew. 89 out of 99 on Cuero. Carreras. Johendrick here. Jay Allen. Abbott on his first. Hoglon HD. Cal Conley and Hernandez. Blue paper piece here. It's Austin Love. Love on the blue paper. That's out of 150. 27 out of 150. Adley, Bryce Miller on his first. Harry Ford. Goodman, Genesis of Sal. John Rhodes refractor. Po Yu Shen. Pardon me, I've been acting real po. Pardon me, I've been acting real po. Russell Smith, Kevin Alcantara. Man, these 4 boxes are so long breaks. Bowman Chrome number 10. Yes, Bowman Chrome number 10. Yes, let's definitely do that one. Bowman Chrome number 10. Yes. The full case should go tonight, no joke. It's sat there for a couple days now, so now tonight is no reason we can't get that off. Sat there for a couple days. We should get that off tonight, I would predict. Marcelo Meyer on the sky blue refractor, unnumbered refractor. Couple Ranger refractors, Luis Angel Acuna. One more Bowman Inception coming up here, most likely non-autographed, non-numbered. Most likely, and the odds would say so. Blaze Jordan here for the Red Sox, Red-a-Rada. Connor Norby refractor, first Bowman. Holgate, Gavin Williams on his first. Bubba Chandler here for the Buccos. Goes to Raw Onion as well. Bubba Chandler. Robert Hassel refractor. Noah Miller on his first refractor. Gasser first. Kowser first base. Encarnacion Strand. See, this one did not have all the names. Even I know it's just base. Trust me, I know it's just base, and there's nothing to shake a stick at. But still, there's a ton more in the top load later pile than I had in the previous breaks. A lot more. Yeah, this one it feels like, right? Wow, what a crazy ending there. That should probably cover for the -6 for the Yankees. Almost got excited there. Alexander Vargas here for the Yanks in Red Raider out of 199 here. Our autograph is Dominic Hamill out of 499. Dominic Hamill here for the Mets. That goes to Sam. Torque refractor, Carson Williams refractor. Both names that will get top loaded later. Meyer. Povich. Kusick, Mace refractor, and a Julio refractor. Might as well send him to the case later. Pile. Two pick sixes for Mr. Winston, the most loved man in Cleveland now. What's up, BC? I'm not sure, my man. Oh, well, wait, is today Monday? Then yeah, no, then no. I didn't realize today was Monday. That shows you how much I know. Vargas out of 199. No, I don't believe so, BC. Nice to see you, though, BC. Nice to meet you, my friend. I wish I could eat the salt off of your last faded neck. Making words. Here's your recap, ladies and gentlemen. Love paper piece here. This is out of 150. 499 on McCade Brown. Same as Luis Angel Acuna. Schwartz out of 199. 499 on Bonacci. 250. 99. 499. 199 on McDonough. Those were all paper pieces. These are light blue, sky blue refractors. Marcelo Meyer. Those are unnumbered refractors. Out of this year's 21 Bowman draft. Usually follows suit in the preceding years. The sky blue refractors. Rovis Martinez, unnumbered speckle. Genesis out of 250. Carson Williams. Jeter Downs. Denzel Clark out of 150. Michael Morales, true green. Yellow lava of Tommy Mace for the Guards. A beautiful Encarnacion Strand here for the Twins. The one. Nice piece. Encarnacion Strand base autograph. Tanner Bybee for the Guardians. Nice hit for Red Raider. Bryce Miller. Seattle. Solid names. Kai Bush. Mason Miller out of 250. Chase Petty out of 150. Marco Luciano for the Giants goes to Red Raider. Ruben Ibarra, 97 out of 99. Damn, just looking for jersey number on that one. And Zavala to round it out at a 71 for the Texas Rangers. That was the break. I will say, though, ladies and gentlemen, there is so much base to get top-loaded later. We had a ton of great names in there. Not parallels in that handful I just showed you there. Those will get top-loaded later, base refractors, if you will. 2021 Bowman Draft Jumbo, a 4-boxer, random team. Number 2. Thank you very much. Number 3 is in the store if you guys want to go grab it. That opens up a fresh case. Number 3. Thanks again.